Howdy trendsetters. Well, this is the start of them. This is the first vid on the build. Give you a light run over. When we go to some cool places, we'll show you some good stuff and we'll run over it deeper. So it's a 4.2 turbo Patrol, full built motor, 18G turbo, big pump. It does everything it needs to do without getting hot, because we all know they can be soot and kettles. Anyway, we had an old setup and we've upgraded now to the new setup, new Canopy build. The upright King's fridge, which we all know is very similar to the Bushman's. We've gone with this as a first choice, and if it fails, we'll go something else. The 200 amps of lithium, 50 amps DC to DC, all on individual circuit breakers. We have a solar panel on the rooftop tent, and it all feeds in, all nice and safe. We built the box ourselves and the panel ourselves, and we have a 3000 watt inverter on the other side, and we just turn it on and we have power to this side. So Renee and I, we've done all this ourselves. We've built a mezzanine floor with our camping chairs, our muck mat and all sorts of stuff, and we do have plans to put a travel buddy in here, but that'll come down a bit further down in the track. We have all our lights inside, all on individual switches, and we all know the yellow keeps the bugs away. Both sides are the same. We also have lights inside the 270 awning. We have a 30-second awning on here. Did the research, and pretty much this is the bee's knees for bang for buck. Custom mounted it all myself. We went with our own designed pantry. We had this built for us. It's 1 meter long, 600 high, 500 mil wide. We have all our knives and forks, pots and pans, cups and plates all in here. A little bit more room here for our other storage, and most of our food stuff goes in the front for just easy access. In the old Canopy, we used to have a 100 mil lip here. This one we don't. We didn't lower this one. I mounted this in. We kept it the same. So we have our stove, our shower, our odds and ends, and just stuff goes in here. Full recovery. I'll stay on this side for a second. Full recovery kit. The jack, 4-ton jack. All the stuff's in here. Nice and safe. What else to show you on this side? That's pretty much this side. We have a 1200 long trundle drawer on a ram. This is the man cave, you could say. Spare shocks, swivel hubs, wheel bearings, all that jazz will go into here. Plus our fire pit and stuff will go into here. And the barbecue sits on here with the gas bottle. I haven't made the gas bottle holder yet, but that'll be coming. You'll get to see all that. We have the Motop 145 plus tent. We went with the big tent as they aren't wide enough when you get in them, so I'll run through that in another video. This side we have safety, we have the inverter, the mezzanine with our camping chairs. Just wanted more room for Renee and I for when we're away. Still haven't finished the back of the box yet. We're putting a grid on that. That'll be next week, a little air vent grid. The blow mold table I've done in here. So we just pull it out. It's the first thing that comes out. It's very easy. I've made a nice little custom clip out the other side. So that just locks in nice. Air compressor's hardwired in. 90 amp on a 100 amp resettable circuit breaker. This air line goes to all tyres. I can reach the camper trailer when we're away, and reinflate when we come off the beach. All the air gauges and stuff are here. And this side is the full toolkit and jumper leads, and I've got some other stuff at home that comes up into here. All my auto lecky stuff fits all in this, multimeters and what have you. We do have plans to move the fuel fillers. We didn't have enough time for this. We will be getting to it. The fuel fillers will be getting moved up into here, 2 of them, for that, because I put a new sub tank in it and rerouted all that from the old tray setup and stuff. We kind of did that with the rock sliders, and she's been a big long build. Individual lighting on this side as well, same as the other side, yellow and white. What else to show you on this side? We've got the big mirrors. We have airbags inside. You can just see the tops of them there. Airbags to go any time at all when the camper trailer's on and the bum's sitting a bit low, because we've got pretty soft springs in this with the Tough Dog adjustable shocks. It flexes really good, but the bum's down when the tow bar, when the camper's hooked up. So we've actually put a under bonnet air compressor with in-car adjuster. I don't know if you can see that. Renee can come maybe show you a little closer. So I've had all this apart, in-car air compressor and an individual air valves to let each bag down. Here's the air gauge showing you our pressures. We have dash mats, rechargeable UHF for Renee for spotting for me when we're winching and stuff. UHF, it's pretty normal in here. It's 4 cigarette plugs and all that sort of jazz. Got the hat holder up on the roof, and we have a water tank that's probably going to go in behind the back seat. We have the shower tank here as well, shovel holder, and this guy just goes straight on. I have got plans to put a little light switch here, so the light will light up here at night. It just makes it easier in the middle of the night when it's pitch black, just to see what you're doing. And I won't show you under the bonnet or any of that stuff. We'll do that in another video. But this just gives you an idea of what we're starting with and what we've got some good stuff coming. So see you out in the next one.